Hey, how's it going out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here, coming at you with another YouTube marketing video. This one I'm going to focus on the YouTube watermark and how to use it to get more subscriptions to your YouTube channel. So, you've probably seen the watermark on some YouTube videos. It's going to pretty much help you get more subscriptions by leading people back to your YouTube channel, which will get them to subscribe up here. So this is where it'll lead them, and it's very simple to do. Doesn't take no longer than 5 minutes. So here is where you're gonna find it. So what you'll do is you'll go to my channel, and then you're going to find the Creator Studio part. So what we'll do is we'll go up to here. We'll find Creative Studio for your channel. And once that opens up, you're going to look over here where it says channel, and you're going to click the arrow. You'll go to branding, and then once that opens up, you are going to get it's going to say add watermark right here. So the next thing we got to do is we got to find a watermark to use. So you can use a custom image. Simply go to Canva or anything like that, and you can just create a little custom image. I'll show you an example here in a minute. But you can go to Google and just type in transparent YouTube subscription button. So that is very important. You need to make sure that it has a transparent background. YouTube is very specific about that. As you can see right here, when it says add watermark, it's going to give you this prompt right here. So definitely, it doesn't want solid background. It wants you to use transparent background. So you have to keep that in mind. So what we'll do is we'll go through here and we'll just find whatever appeals to you. What do you think will work the best? So this one looks pretty cool. We can use that one. That's got a transparent background. So just pick whatever one that you feel will pop with your channel. We can use that, that one. And once you have found that, you're simply just going to upload it, and it's pretty much a done deal. So that's one way to do it. That's the easiest way. Another way is you can go to any pic editor, so Freelance, Photo Monkey, and create your own. So here is kind of what it would look like. Very simple. Click here to subscribe. You can even put the YouTube symbol there. But you'll just come up to here, use custom dimensions, and just make sure it's 400 by 400. 400 by 400, and then you'll simply will just pick the background color, whatever you'll think will stand out. So you can go black and white. If you have a color scheme on your channel, you can keep it to that channel. And then you can just click over to text and just put a simple text there. So it's really simple, not hard at all. You can even go on Fiverr and have a designer put a custom one together for you. But once you've found it, you're going to save it to your file. You're going to come here and you're going to click on the image that you want. You just need to make sure that the dimensions are 400. The width is 400. So once you've done that, you just click on the one you want and save it. And it will upload. And then it's going to ask you a few questions, and then you're done. So it's not hard at all. Display time, I recommend you the entire video. And then as for start time, just start it right away. So it's always there. And then once you're done with that, update. And that's it. There you go. You just added your watermark to all your videos. Now people are going to go to your channel, and when they see their video, when they see your video, it's going to lead them back to your channel and prompt them to subscribe. So that's going to increase subscriptions to your YouTube channel using a YouTube watermark. So let's go test that out real quick, and then we'll wrap this video up. Very, very simple. Very simple but very powerful YouTube marketing tool. So let's go to my latest video here, and then we'll just test that button out. So we'll go to this, and alright, let's pause that. Alright. Okay, so it should have been added. I have no idea where it went. There we go. So there we go. Not sure what's happening with the video, but sorry about that. So there we go. This is pretty much how it's going to work here. So it's going to bring you right back to your page, and then they're going to prompt you to subscribe up here. So pretty much that's it. Had a little confusion there, but it worked out. So click the link below if you want to learn more about YouTube marketing. I have a free guide for you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll have more videos just like this coming up daily, so you don't want to miss out. And be sure to click the bell so you get notified, and comment below if you have any questions. And I'll talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.